Hi, this is Guo Ming. I own this Samsung fridge about 8 years ago. Today, I'm going to share with you what I did to fix this Samsung fridge water leak. Usually the water will drain down underneath of this pantry. Please leave the comment, click the like and the subscribe button for more appliances repair videos. Use the small flat screwdriver to pop up the cover to expose the screws. There are 4 screws total, 2 long screws at the middle and the 2 short screws on both sides. Remember that when you reinstall the panel back. After you take off the old screws, gently shake the panel. Remember there is tabs on both sides, and gradually shake it and take it out. There is 2 wire connectors on the upper left corner. And press the connector's tab, remove the connector, and then take the panel out. For tackling the fridge water leak issue, what I did, I put 2 electrical cable wire here. So when I wrap it, it's longer. I put this the wire tip go all the way into that drain hole there, and I put another wire here wrap on the defrost heater, and plus I put another extra heater from the upper evaporator. So since then, I don't have any water leak underneath the drawer here, somewhere here. And first, you gave the tip, like the water flow into the drain holes. And the second, make sure that the drain hole is not clogged. What you can see from the back of the fridge. There's 2 drain holes in the back of the fridge. I can see I marked this on the right hand side is the fridge drain hose. On the left hand side is the black hose is the freezer drain hose. The good you need to check, this hose is not clogged too. You can see here, sometimes this part is clogged. So they also cause the watering leak in the fridge. If you want to know how to fix Samsung fridge, freezing food, hit this video. If you want to know Samsung fridge, no cooling, ice build up, making noise, hit this video. Please leave the comment, click the like and the subscribe button for more appliances repair videos.